What's going on, everybody? Hey, today I'm going to be testing out the DRAMM rain wand from RainSelect. It's a 16-inch gardening attachment for the hose, and I'm going to see how it works. I'm currently using an Orbits wand. It's 32 inches in order to water my garden. There's an issue with it though. I do really love it, but there's an issue. So the issue is it's a little too big for my greenhouse, especially when I'm trying to get in here and water the bottom of the plants. It's really hard to maneuver in and out. Always keep bumping it, have to adjust it to try to get it in there. So I decided I'd pick up the other one. It cost about 20 bucks at my local store. Alright, so it's a 16-inch wand. It has a thumb adjuster. Feels fairly comfortable in my hand. It has flat, fan, stream, shower, rain, center, cone, angle, mist, and flat. So we're going to try it out using an older hose just so I can give it a really good test on if it leaks or not. And screwing it in, and I'll go turn on the water and see how it holds the water pressure. Alright, so I'm starting it off on flat. Well, that leak is not from the wand. This leak is from the old hose I'm using. Time to switch over to a different hose. Alright, so I got it hooked up. Had to use my good hose. I have a couple Hosezillas coming in the mail, and I'm going to be testing those out, see if they are actually the 2019 hose of the year, and check them out in an upcoming video. Let's start with the rain. Do some good adjusting on it. Make it nice and soft to water the plants. Now we're going to do a shower. That's a lot of water coming out of that. That's a good stream. I can get all the way to the other side of my garden with that. That's about 30 feet. There's the fan. Then it has a flat. And the mist. I noticed the mist on this one's a little bit more than the Orbits. Puts out a little bit more water than the Orbits. Oh, almost killed the plants. So that's the angle on here. That angle has some power to it. This one is the cone. This one is center. And we got the rain. And the shower. Let's see how well this thing does watering the inside. Now I have it set on shower. That's actually pretty good. Alright, so one of the things I was noticing, I have it on stream, and I was watering some of my tomato plants out here, is that gives a nice smooth stream. It's not all broken up, it's not splashing, so I can really get the bottom of my tomato plants with this. Okay, now for the real test. It is so much nicer not worrying about hitting my elbow on the shelf there. I'm getting all these plants. The one piece I like about the Orbits is it does have the swivel top, but I don't really need it since this one's a lot smaller. Here's a really good one that I always hit my elbow on and can't reach. Not hitting the roof on it right now either, so that's a good thing. There's the turnaround that normally gets me all the time. Much easier. The reach around in this area is really good. That means I don't have to keep pulling it all the way out, putting it all the way back in again. Another area which really gets me right here. Oh, just knocked over 2 plants. These need to be up potted. Okay, so I really like this thing. I like the stream a whole bunch. Because it will go and shoot. You got to be careful when I'm actually watering to not use this thumb trigger too much, because it puts out some power. If you didn't notice, in the arbor there with the hog fence arbor, I was smacking it around a whole bunch and it held up pretty good. It has a hard plastic end to it, so I figured this is probably going to be what breaks first. One of the things that Orbits has is adjustable here, but for $20 for a sprinkler head or a nozzle head with a 16-inch wand on it, not too bad. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, push the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.